have breaking news coming in. We are told another FIR has been registered in the Badlapur case. There is 3 FIRs registered by the Badlapur police station and 1 by the government railway police against unidentified individuals. Shweta is joining us now. Shweta, if you could give us a breakup of these FIRs, what are they about? And it does sound like the most recent FIR is against the protest or the people who came out on the railway tracks and then clashed with the cops. Is there action over that as well? And bring us up to speed.
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, 4 in total FIR has been registered against the Badlapur horror. Now, 3 were already registered. What we know so far is that the relevant sections of BNS were added when it comes to the sexual assault and the rape that had happened with 2 minors, that's nursery kids in this school. And apart from this, the latest that is dealing with the FIR is, of course, about the protesters, those who came large in numbers. But here, what we understand is that today the police custody of the accused is getting over, but however, he's been produced via video conferencing. Understanding the sensitive situation on ground, he will not be produced manually, and he is not taken out physically for the further judicial custody or for the police custody. But yes, in total, there have been 4 FIR against the Badlapur incident that has taken place. Remember, when it comes to the protesters, they gathered in massive numbers, in fact, and post which there were also the severe hit on the central line, which disrupted there about 25 trains. Back to you.
All right, Shweta, do stay with us because you've been talking about the accused. So let's tell our viewers a little bit more about what's happening in the case. Now, the accused viewers has been arrested, but there is much anger over delayed police action. Protesters gathered at the Badlapur railway station yesterday in large numbers, blocking the movement of trains and pelting stones at the police personnel, like Shweta told us. Agitators also gathered outside the school where the incident took place and hurled a smoke bomb, we are told, inside the school premises. The police had to resort to firing tear gas shells and lathi charge to bring the situation under control.
Yes, there was protest going on, but the protest was in view of a very sensitive issue. So police had to refrain themselves from taking law in their hand, and we wanted it to close by convincing. We tried to convince them. And at one point of time we realized that this is affecting the entire operations, and that's why we warned them, and then without using any force, we removed them from the track, and it happened within 5 to 10 minutes. You must have seen that they were removed.
So that was a police official speaking about what we witnessed yesterday. Now, coming back to the accused, we have breaking news that the accused in the Badlapur sexual assault case, the alleged sexual assault case, will be presented before the court today by video conferencing. This comes as a precautionary step by the police and authorities to avoid a law and order situation. Nilesh joins us now. Nilesh, where is the accused currently? What is his remand situation? And what is the police doing to ensure that while the people protest, it doesn't spiral out of hand?
Well, after yesterday's whatever visual appeared, police and all other agencies are on high alert, and Section 144 is imposed, internet is banned. And what we are learning through police officials is that the main accused involved in the sexual act before court today, can be done with the help of video conferencing, and as a security measure is being taken by yesterday we saw how individuals were sitting on track and were demanding for capital punishment. The protesters demanded that the accused should be handed over to them, and they will do the justice that is needed, because the police officials are delaying the justice, and hence this measure is being taken. Meanwhile, it is also to be noted that around 4 FIRs have been registered in various police stations, 2 in Badlapur Police Station East and 2 in Badlapur Station West. Meanwhile, an FIR is also registered under the GRP on around 300 unidentified individuals. These are the same individuals who have been protesting yesterday and had kept the local trains at halt for more than 8 hours. So various precautionary measures are being taken by the local authorities, and among which is the presentation or presenting the accused before court.
Absolutely.
Via VC.
Nilesh, do stay with us and thank you for that information. Now, the Maharashtra Chief Minister's office, viewers, said that Chief Minister Shinde has taken serious note of the incident and has warned that action will be taken against the management if such an incident occurs. The Chief Minister also directed that the case be tried in a fast-track court immediately so that there is speedy justice. The state government has ordered the formation of a SIT to investigate the incident. Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis ordered the Thane Police Commissioner to immediately suspend Senior Police Inspector, a Assistant Sub-Inspector of the Police and the Head Constable of the Badlapur Police Station.
एक प्रकार से कुकर्म करने का प्रयास किया है, कुकर्म किया है, ये बहुत ही गंभीर इस प्रकार की बात है और हम इसकी बहुत ज्यादा निंदा करते हैं और राज्य सरकार ने इस मामले में एक एसआईटी का निर्माण किया है। आईजी लेवल की महिला अधिकारी को एसआईटी का प्रमुख बनाया गया है। हमारा यह प्रयास है कि इस मामले की तुरंत जांच होकर और चार्जशीट भी जाए और फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इसको हम चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे ताकि जो पीड़िता है उनको एक प्रकार से उसमें न्याय मिल पाए, इस प्रकार का हमारा प्रयास होगा।
मैंने मैनेजमेंट के साथ बात की, वहाँ के प्रिंसिपल से बात की, फिर वहाँ पे जो एनजीओज है जिन्होंने ये पहले इनिशिएट की थी एक्शन, उनके साथ बात की, कहाँ क्या क्या हुआ, उसके बाद में डिटेल मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन ली। जो जेन्युइन आंदोलक है उनसे मैं कल शाम को बात करूँगा। जो डिले हुआ है मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से, इसके लिए वहाँ पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बिठाया जाएगा, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाएगी उनका कहने के लिए और ये एक्शन लिया जाएगा। जो वहाँ की प्रिंसिपल है उनको पोस्को की तरह में एक ये रहता है कि विदिन 24 आवर्स आफ्टर यू गेट द नॉलेज ऑफ द इंसिडेंट्स यू विल हैव टू रिपोर्ट टू द नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन। वो उन्होंने नहीं किया, उसके लिए उनको भी आरोपी बना जाएगा।
Now, viewers, we have more inputs coming in. We just heard Maharashtra Minister Deepak Kesarkar speaking about meeting people. Now, we are told Sanjay Nirupam is also going to meet the Badlapur police and he will be accompanied by the Thane Guardian Minister Shambhuraje Desai, and this is likely to happen at about 1 p.m. Now, why are they meeting the Badlapur police? Let's find out. Rakesh is joining us. Rakesh, tell us what is the plan of Sanjay Nirupam and the Guardian Minister, and why are they meeting the police? We've heard about meeting the victim's family. We've heard about speaking to the management. Why now are they meeting the police?
The Sanjay Nirupam will be meeting the senior officials of the Badlapur police along with the Minister Shambhuraje Desai at about 1 o'clock, as you rightly said, and after that they will visit to the school and they will try to meet the school management at about 2 o'clock, and later even the Education Minister Deepak Kesarkar will be coming here and meeting the parents of the school at about 4 in the evening. So everybody wants to come here just to show the empathy and to show the concern to the Badlapur people and the citizens of this city, that the state government is completely standing by with them, and there is no reason to suspect the motive of the government at least. And
Rakesh, we will await further info and we will await some of these meetings to happen, because clearly there is a lot planned. The state is trying to essentially play catch up in terms of providing justice and action against the victim. The people are outraged. I thank Shweta, Nilesh as well as Rakesh for joining us. Viewers, we are back after a short break. Stay with us.